A solid metallic sphere of diameter 28 centimeters is melted and recast into a number of small cones, each of diameter 4 wall 2 by 3 centimeter and height 3 centimeters. Find the number of cones so formed. So that is the problem here given. So here volume of spherical metallic one is equal to the volume of cones. That is, now we writing the given one. So given diameter of sphere 28 centimeters. So radius of sphere are equal to d by 2, that equal to 28 by 2 equal to 14 centimeters. Next, that sphere volume finding. So volume of sphere equal to four by 3 pi r cube, that equal to 4 by 3 pi into r, 14 into 14 into 14 centimeter cube. So it is the volume of sphere. Now finding the volume of cone. So that one too given diameter of cone d equal to 4 wall 2 by 3 centimeters given. Now it is in mixed fraction there. Now by that converting 3 4s 12, 12 plus 2 equal to 14. So 14 by 3 centimeters. Now the radius of cone r is equal to, that is d by 2, that means 14 by 3 by 2, that equal to 14 by 3 into 2, that is 7 by 3 centimeters. 2 ones 2 sevens, so 7 by 3 centimeters. Now height of cone, height of cone 3 centimeters given. So now volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h, that equal to 1 by 3 into pi into r value is 7 by 3. So 7 by 3 into 7 by 3 into h 3 centimeter cube. It is the volume of cone. So now our to asked how many cones formed, that is asked. So let formed number of cones be n. Then we can write n into volume of cone is equal to volume of sphere. That is equal to n into volume of cone, that is 1 by 3 pi into 7 by 3 into 7 by 3 into 3, that is equal to volume of sphere, that is 4 by 3 pi into 14 into 14 into 14. Now these values transferring this side. Now n equal to 4 by 3 pi into 14 into 14 into 14 into, so this pi by 3 is transferred, that is nothing but 3 by pi into 7 by 3 transferred, it's a reciprocal to multiplication, 3 by 7 into 3 by 7. Now multiplication 3 is transferred, that is division, so pi pi gets cancelled, so 3 ones 3 ones 3 ones 3 ones, next 7 ones 7 twos, so 7 ones 7 twos, so 4 into 2 into 2 into 14 into 3, that one now here remain, so the product of 4 into 2 into 2 into 14 into 3 is nothing but 672. So here formed number of cones are 672, therefore 672 small cones formed. Given problem is a solid metallic ball of volume 64 centimeter cube is melted and made into a solid cube. Find the side of solid cube, that is given. So given volume of cube, that is metallic ball, that is 64 centimeter cube given. So volume of cube is nothing but a cube equal to 64, then a equal to cubed root 64, cubed root 64 is nothing but 4. So our to asked find the side of the cube, so the side of the solid cube is 4 centimeters. Given the diameter of solid sphere is 6 centimeters, it is melted and recast into a solid cylinder of height 4 centimeters. Find the radius of cylinder. So here given diameter of sphere d equal to 6 centimeters. So radius of sphere r is equal to d by 2 equal to 6 by 2 equal to 3 centimeters. Now finding the volume of sphere, so why we finding the volume of sphere means, now that solid sphere is melted and recast into a cylinder, that means both volumes are equal, that purpose we finding the volume of sphere, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 4 by 3 pi into r value is 3 into 3 into 3, so 3 3 gets cancelled. So volume of solid sphere is equal to 4 pi into 3 into 3 centimeter cube. Next one given the cylinder's height 4 centimeters. So height of cylinder h equal to 4 centimeters. The radius only we want to find. So volume of cylinder is equal to that is pi r square h. So pi into r value we don't know, so r square into h value is 4. So volume of cylinder is nothing but pi r square into 4. That means 4 pi r square centimeter cube. Next, here given that a solid sphere is melted and recast into a solid cylinder. So by the given problem, volume of solid sphere is equal to volume of solid cylinder. So volume of sphere is nothing but 4 pi into 3 into 3. So 4 pi into 3 into 3 is equal to volume of cylinder is 4 pi r square. Now this multiplication 4 pi transfer to this side, division. So 4 pi into 3 into 3 by 4 pi is equal to r square. So 4 pi gets cancelled. So r square is nothing but 3 into 3. So r is equal to 3. So that r is nothing but radius of this solid cylinder. So therefore radius of solid cylinder is 3 centimeters. Here given the problem 1, Dwakra is supplied cuboidal shaped wax block with measurements 88 centimeters into 42 centimeters into 35 centimeters. From this, how many number of cylindrical candles of 2.8 centimeters diameter and 8 centimeters height can be prepared? That is the problem here asked. So here cuboidal shaped box is recast into cylindrical candle. That means the cuboidal volume is equal to number of candles of cylindrical shape 2. So now equalize, then we know how many number of cylindrical candles are prepared. Okay. So the given cuboidal wax block length L equal to 88 centimeters given, breadth B equal to 42 centimeters and height H equal to 35 centimeters. Now volume of this cuboid, not cube, volume of cuboid is equal to LBH, that equal to 88 into 42 into 35. So now it is the volume of cuboidal box. So volume of cuboidal wax block is equal to 88 into 42 into 35 centimeter cube. Next, they are given information about the cylindrical candles diameter 2.8 centimeters and height 8 centimeters. That is the information given. So the cylindrical diameter of cylindrical candle D equal to 2.8 centimeters given. So now its radius radius of cylindrical candle is equal to diameter to half, that means 2.8 by 2 equal to 1.4 centimeters. Now height of cylindrical candle, that is 8 centimeters given. So now volume of cylinder is pi r square h, that equal to 22 by 7 into r, 1.4 into 1.4 into h, 8. So volume of cylindrical candle equal to 22 by 7 into, if we remove point in the denominator we have a chance to write 10. So 14 by 10 into 14 by 10 into 8 centimeter cube. Now our to asked how many number of cylindrical coiled candles are prepared. So now we fill, let prepared number of cylindrical candles n. Then now equalizing n into volume of cylindrical candles is equal to volume of cuboidal wax block. So n into volume of cylindrical candle is equal to volume of cuboidal wax block. So n into 22 by 7 into 14 by 10 into 14 by 10 into 8 is a cylindrical candle volume. 22 by 7 into 14 by 10 into 14 by 10 into 8 is equal to volume of cuboidal block 88 into 42 into 35. Now here these values are transferring to LHS, by their reciprocals to we will multiply. So n equal to 88 into 42 into 35 into 7 by 22 into 10 by 14 into 10 by 14 by 8. So 8 ones, 8 11s, 11 ones, 11 twos, 7 ones, 7 twos. So 2 ones, 2 21s, 7 twos, 7 threes, 2 ones, 2 fives, 2 ones, 2 fives. So 3 into 35 into 5 into 5. Now that is nothing but 2625. So here how many cylindrical candles are prepared from that wax means 2625. So therefore 2625 cylindrical candles are prepared. Given the length of cuboid is 12 centimeters, breadth and height are equal in measurements and its volume is 432 centimeter cube. The cuboid is cut into two cubes. Find the lateral surface area of each cube. So here the cuboids to length, breadth, height given and its volume given. Now here that cuboid is cut into same equal cubes. Find the lateral surface area of each cube asked. So for the lateral surface area of a cube is 4 into side square, that means 4a square. So but here the breadth and height are same, divide means the length is half, that is 6, but breadth height measurements not equal, not given, but they given a hint they are equal. So by that we have to find. So given cuboids length L equal to 12 centimeters, let breadth and height both are equal given, that equal to 6 centimeters filling, and volume is given 432 centimeter cube. So volume is equal to 432 centimeter cube. So volume of cuboid LBH is equal to 432. So L equal to 12, B value XV filling and H value also XV filling, that equal to 432. Now x into x equal to this multiplication 12 transfer to this side division. So 432 by 12, 432 by 12, that means it is nothing but 36. Now 36 can be expressed as 6 into 6. So x value is 6. So x means it is nothing but the breadth and height. So breadth of cuboid x equal to 6 centimeters and height of cuboid that is also 6 centimeters. Now asked, this cuboid is cut into two cubes. Find the lateral surface area of each cube. So if cuboid cut into two cubes, so each side of cube is equal to 6 centimeters only. So now our to ask lateral surface area of each cube. So lateral surface area of cube equal to 4a square, that equal to 4 into 6 square. 6 square is nothing but 36. 36 4 ja 144 centimeter square. So lateral surface area of cube is 144 centimeter square. The given problem, a cone of height 24 centimeters and radius of base 6 centimeters is made up of modeling clay. A child molds it in the form of a sphere. Find the radius of the sphere. That is the problem here asked. So here a cone's height and base radius given, that is turned into sphere. that one. That means both volumes are equal. So volume of cone is equal to volume of sphere. Then we can solve the problem. So here the given one writing, given height of cone h equal to 24 centimeters. The base radius of cone are equal to 6 centimeters given. Now volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h, that equal to 1 by 3 into pi into r value 6 into 6 into 24. So it is the volume of cone. So pi by 3 into 6 into 6 into 24 centimeter cube. Next, that is turned into sphere. So that sphere to radius only we want to find. So let the radius of sphere are centimeters, then volume of sphere equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, now here our to given the child molds it in the form of sphere. So given volume of sphere by the given problem, volume of sphere equal to volume of cone. That equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to pi by 3 into 6 into 6 into 24. Now this 4 pi by 3 is transferred to this side, reciprocal to multiplication, 3 by 4 pi. So r cube equal to pi by 3 into 6 into 6 into 24 into 3 by 4 pi. So 3 gets cancelled, pi gets cancelled. So 4 ones, 4 sixes. So r cube is equal to 6 into 6 into 6. That means r is nothing but 6. Cube the root 6 means 6 only. So now r is nothing but the radius of sphere. So therefore radius of sphere are equal to 6 centimeters.